does rain fall? Rain is one of the main sources of fresh water for almost all people in the world. It provides suitable conditions for desert ecosystems. It is also used as hydroelectric power plants and crop irrigation. But do you know how rain happens? The rain phenomenon is actually what we often call as water cycle. The concept of the water cycle involves the sun hitting the earth, surface water and causing the surface water to evaporate. Then the water vapor rises into the Earth's atmosphere. The water in the atmosphere cools and condenses into liquid droplets. The droplets are bigger and heavier and fall here as precipitation. However, not all rain can reach the surface of the Earth. Some evaporates while falling through dry air. This is what we call as virga, a phenomenon which is often seen in hot, dry desert regions. That's all from me about how does rain fall. I hope you can understand it.